In this video, I'll show you how to insert page breaks in Google Docs. If you want part of your document to begin on a completely new page, the easiest way to do that is by inserting a page break. A page break tells Google Docs to push everything after your cursor down to the next page, which is very useful for starting a new chapter, section, title page, appendix, or any part of the document that should not continue on the same page. Google's official help says you can do this from Insert, then Break, and then Page Break. To get started, open your document and click exactly where you want the new page to begin. This step matters because Google Docs inserts the break wherever your cursor is placed. Once your cursor is in the right spot, go to the top menu, click Insert, choose Break, and then click Page Break. As soon as you do that, everything after that point moves to the next page. If you want a faster method, you can also use a keyboard shortcut. On Google Docs for Computer, the shortcut to insert a page break is Ctrl + Enter. This is especially helpful when you are working on a longer document and want to add page breaks quickly without opening the menu every time. Google's keyboard shortcut page lists Ctrl + Enter as the page break command. There's also another useful option called Add Page Break Before. This works a little differently. Instead of placing the cursor and inserting a break manually, you can click inside a paragraph or select a paragraph, then go to Line and Paragraph Spacing in the toolbar and choose Add Page Break Before. You can also find the same option under Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing. This is useful when you want a heading or section title to always start at the top of a new page. If you're using the Google Docs app on Android, the steps are slightly different. Open the file, tap Edit, then tap Insert, and choose Page Break. Google also says that on Android, you can remove a page break by tapping below it and deleting it, and there is a paragraph option called Add Page Break Before if print layout is turned on. One thing to keep in mind is that page breaks work best in Pages format. If your document is set to Pageless, the layout may not show page breaks the way you expect. Google's Page Setup help explains that you can switch between Pages and Pageless by going to File, then Page Setup, and choosing the format you want. So to insert a page break in Google Docs, place your cursor where the new page should start, then go to Insert, Break, and choose Page Break, or use Ctrl + Enter for a quicker method. And if you want a heading to always begin on a fresh page, use Add Page Break Before from the paragraph spacing options. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.